Today, my presentation is on organization of an infantry battalion and its weapons. Introduction. The infantry battalion is the most important organization of the army. It is trained and equipped to face any adverse situation. It can fight an enemy independently or as part of a larger force. It has the sustenance power and motivation to fight till the end. The infantry battalion is a balanced force which can withstand any difficult situation both in offensive, defensive, as well as in special operations against the enemy. The support weapons available with the battalion can contain the plan of the enemy by causing maximum damage both in fortified fire positions and armored protected tanks or personal carriers. Infantry battalion has inherent firepower capability at long ranges in terms of battalion support weapons. The two important infantry battalion support weapons are 81 mm mortar and anti-tank guided missile. Next, capabilities. The capabilities of an infantry battalion are as under: self-reliance. The infantry is equipped, trained, and organized to fight with the enemy without any outside support. It can fight itself for a long time. Ability to hold ground. The infantry battalion can hold ground effectively with or without outside support. Adaptability. An infantry battalion is highly adaptable and can operate over any type of ground by day or by night and under any difficult climatic conditions. The infantry battalion can be readily shifted by land, sea, or air to the battlefield. In this way, infantry battalion can move by land, sea, or air to the battlefield. Mobility. Infantry battalion has a high degree of mobility. It can go through almost all kinds of obstacles. Vulnerability. In battle, an infantry battalion becomes vulnerable in front of tanks, artillery, small arms, air attack, and anti-personnel mines. Next, employability. The basic role of infantry battalion is to close in with and destroy or capture the enemy and to hold ground. That is the basic role of infantry battalion is to destroy or capture and to hold enemy's ground. Fire and move is the basis of infantry tactics. Infantry battalion from section upwards is based on this principle. Infantry battalion and its subunits are trained to operate in the face of the enemy position without entirely depending on support from other arms by skillful use of ground weapons and above all the infantrymen with their sheer courage, determination and valor. Organization of an infantry battalion. Here you can see the picture of an outline organization of an infantry battalion. Infantry battalion has a strength of 22 officers, 42 JSUs and 794 other ranks. It is divided into battalion headquarters, headquarter company, SP company and other 4 rifle companies. That company is also divided into company headquarter and different sections. In this way, headquarter company divided into company headquarter, medical section, Adam platoon, transport platoon. and each one has a different strength. In this way, SP company also divided into company headquarter, assault platoon, more motor platoon, anti-tank plant, anti-tank platoon, RS, R&S platoon, Ghatak platoon, signal platoon, and other four rifle companies divided into company headquarter and three platoons, MMG section and AGL sections, and battalion headquarters has a strength of 5 officers, 3 JCOs, and 32 other ranks, which includes headquarter company, clerks, RP section, runners, and orderly section. Weapons, company support weapons, and battalion support weapons. The weapons are divided into two categories, that is company support weapons and battalion support. Company support weapons. The company support weapons are 7.62 mm Dragunov sniper rifle, 7.62 mm medium machine gun MMG, 30 mm medium grenade launcher, and anti-material rifles. They are used both in defensive and offensive operations. You can see one by one. 7.62 mm Dragunov sniper rifle. It has a long barrel. Characteristics: caliber is 7.62 mm, range 800 meter, range with telescope sight is 1300 meter, that is 1 kilometer and 300 meter. Weight 4.3 kg. Magazine capacity is 10 rounds. Ammunition fired: armor piercing, sniper boss, steel core, tracer, incendiary. Second, 7.62 mm medium machine gun MMG. Characteristics: weight, gun 14.2 kg, tripod 10.2 kg, effective battle range, that is 1800 meter, 1 kilometer and 100 meters. Traverse 360 degree. Number of rounds in belt 235 rounds. एक बेल्ट में 235 rounds. Rate of fire. Normal rate of fire is 100 rounds per minute. Rapid rate of fire is 200 rounds per minute. Cyclic 500 to 1000 rounds per minute. Adjustable by setting of gas regulator. Length of service burst is 20 rounds. Sustained fire, being air-cooled, can maintain normal rate of fire indefinitely. However, barrel should be changed after firing 4 belts. Beaten zone, range beaten zone 560 meter, 110 meter into 1 meter, 600 meter, 100 meter into 1 meter, 1200 meter, 65 meter into 3 meter, 1800 meter, 50 meter into 4 meter. Trajectory: when the sight is fixed up to 600 meters, bullets do not rise above 1.2 meter. Night firing: it is possible to fire the gun at night using passive night sight. 30 automatic grenade launcher, that is AGL. Weight launcher 18 kg, mount 12 kg, sight 1 kg without case, 3.5 kg with case. Gun box is 14.5 kg with 29 grenades in one belt. Sight with case is 3.5 kg. Range 800 to 1700 meters with and without sight. Rate of fire is Normal rate of fire is 50 grenades per minute. Rapid 100 grenades per minute. Cyclic 350 to 450 grenades per minute. Flexibility, it can be mounted on a vehicle or helicopter. It can fire in low angle as well as in high angle. It has crest clearance capability. Flexibility is mainly due to controlled elevation 67 degrees, controlled depression 14 degrees, free transfers 260 degrees. Effect of fire, it fires an fragmentation type of grenade which can be fired in a single shot or burst mode. The killing area of a grenade is 7 meters all around from the point of burst. Limitations, it has the following limitations. Due to sustained fire, small parts get damaged. Barrel needs to be cooled after firing 80 to 90 grenades. It gives out flash and blast on firing. Next weapon is 84 rocket launcher. Characteristics: caliber 84 weight 16 kg with mount and telescopic sight, length 1065 transfer no transfers of its worms. Range, hit 400-meter moving targets and 500-meter stationary targets. HE 1000 meter, killing area is 10 meter. Smoke 1300 meter, width 15 meter. Illumination 2100 meter, area 400 to 500 meter diameter for 30 seconds. These are the different types of heat, heat, HE and smoke. These are the different types of ammunition. Next, rate of fire. Maximum sustained 6 rounds per minute. Type of ammunition: heat, HE, smoke, elimination. Armor penetration 400 meter hit. Back blast area is 15 meter. Battalion support weapons: 81 mortars and anti-tank guided missile, that is ATGM. These are the battalion support weapons. Characteristics of 81 mortars: caliber 81 weight 40.6 kg without sight, 4.7 kg sight without case. Range minimum 68 minutes from safety point of view 90 meters. Maximum 5200 meter. In this way, 81 motors is having maximum range is 5 kilometers and 200 meters, and minimum range is 68 meters. Next, rate of fire per minute: slow 6 to 8 rounds, normal 9 to 11 rounds, and rapid is 12 to 20 rounds. Muzzle velocity is 305 meter per second. Elevation, elevation limit 45 degrees to 85 degrees. Safety distance flanking 200 meters. Overhead 250 meters. Next is anti-tank guided missile ATGM. Minimum range is 75 meter. Maximum range is 2500 meters. Rate of fire 3 missiles per minute. Hit probability 90% to 96%. Accuracy 60 centimeter around point of aim at maximum range. Generation second. Launcher mount. Transverse 360 degrees. Elevation 8 degrees plus 20 degrees. Magnification 10 times. Guidance semi-automatic optically tracked wire guided. Penetration at 90 degrees angle of impact 460 mm at 60 degrees angle of impact 230 mm. Characteristics of 5.56 mm Insas rifle: ammunition, firepower, stripping, assembling and cleaning. This is the picture of 5.56 mm Insas rifle. The 5.56 mm Insas rifle is produced by the Indian Ordnance Factory Board and is being used by the Indian Army. It is the personal service weapon of a soldier. It is lighter than AK-47 and easy to handle. Characteristics: ammunition and firepower. Caliber is 5.56 mm. Length of fire. Effective range 400 meter. Sight radius 470 mm. Principle of operation: gas operated. Penetration 3 mm at 700 meters. Mode of fire: single shot and 3 round burst. Rate of fire: normal rate of fire is 60 rounds. TRB TRB is 3 rounds burst, 90 rounds per minute, and normal it has a rate of fire is in normal condition is 60 rounds per minute. Intense 150 rounds per minute. Cyclic 600 to 650 rounds per minute. Types of ammunition: ball round, tracer round, blank round, high density cartridge. 5.56 mm Insas rifle is the personal weapon of a soldier. It is responsibility of the soldier to take care of his weapon. Stripping, assembling and cleaning of this weapon is very easy. If a soldier maintains the weapon properly, it will produce good result. Removing magazine. Hold the magazine with left hand and press the magazine catch to the front with thumb and then remove them again. Stripping assembly cover. Cock the rifle and keep the change lever on yes. Press lever locking retainer with left hand and press the retainer to the front and right hand thumb. When retainer moves to the front, it is free from locking retainer. Now lift the assembly opening cover and move to the front. Stripping of piston extension assembly. While pressing retainer, make the recoil spring assembly free from the guide and move it out. Stripping of piston extension assembly. Hold rear portion of piston extension and while pressing it downward, remove it from the rifle. Stripping of bridge block. Hold piston extension switch left hand, turning it upside down and with the right hand slide out the bridge block from the recess. Stripping of firing pin. Remove locking pin with the help of drift firing pin will come out. Stripping of extractor. Drift tool is used to stripping of the extractor. Press the extract or with the left hand thumb. Then press access pin with pointed portion of the drift. Access pin will come out. Now remove the extractor and spring from its recess. Stripping of gas plug and projector site. With the help of drift, remove the pin fixing gas plug, and while pressing gas plug, remove the gas block. Now the projector site will also get removed. Stripping of handguard. The front edge of handguard is in the cup near the gas block. Straighten the pin locking and remove it with the help of drift. Shifting the cup towards gas block, remove the handguard. Stripping of magazine. While pressing retainer, damper remove bottom plate, remove retainer spring and the platform. In this way, we can. This is stripping of 5.56 mm INSAS Indian Small Arms System. Now assembling. Assembling of the rifle is carried out in reverse sequence of stripping as under. Assembling of magazine, assembling of extractor and firing pin, assembling of handguard, assembling of piston extension and breech block, to insert piston extension assembly in gas cylinder and bracket, to insert recoiled spring assembly in piston extension, to insert piston extension assembly and recoil spring in body housing, to close cover assembly and loading of retainer fixed magazine. Cleaning. Items required for cleaning are as under. This is very important. Which are the items required for cleaning of rifle? That is oil bottle with oil, brush cleaning board, pull through, rod cleaning barrel, that is rod cleaning barrel, tool adjusting site, rear site, tool removing repair case, chindi and drift. Rifle parts to be oiled are as under. Complete bridge box less its face, magazine catch, trigger mechanism, rifle spring assembly. Rifle parts not to be oiled are as under. Barrel, cylinder, gas plug, piston extension assembly, magazine platform site. Conclusion. The rifleman of an infantry is capable of closing with the enemy and neutralize him with his personal weapon. However, with the presence of company support weapons, his punch increases. The company support weapons give a additional effective strength to the infantry rifle company, both in defensive well as offensive operations. The firepower with the infantry battalion as its support weapons in the form of 81 mm motor and anti-tank guided missiles make it formidable force to deal with enemy. It provides the fire support as well as metal support to the troops fighting on ground. Summary. 5.56 INSAS rifle is the personal weapon of an Indian Army. INSAS rifle is 25% lighter than has 70% less recoil as compared to 7.62 mm SLR. INSAS rifle is lighter, compact and easy to fire. INSAS Indian Small Arms System. Types of ammunition used: ball round, tracer round, blank round, highly density cartridge. Infantry battalion is basic fighting unit of Indian Army. It can fight an opponent independently or as part of larger force. The strength of an infantry battalion is 20 officers, 42 JSOs, 794 other ranks. Section is the smallest fighting unit of a battalion. Capabilities are self 81 mm motor rocket launcher. Characteristics of an infantry battalion. Support weapons should be known by the cadets. The infantry battalion support weapons causes maximum casualty to the enemy, used both in offensive, defensive and special operations against the enemy. Types of infantry battalion support weapons: 81 mm mortar and anti-tank guided missile. Characteristics of 81 mm mortar and anti-tank guided missiles: weight, range, rate of fire, muzzle velocity, elevation, etc. Thank you. Jai Hind.